Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a nail polish that promises to bring professional quality results right to your fingertips without the need for a lamp. If you're someone who's always on the hunt for a long-lasting, gel-like finish at home, you're in for a treat. I'm talking about Olive & June long-lasting nail polish in the shade Strawberry Scone. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty details and see if this product truly lives up to the hype. Olive & June's long-lasting nail polish is a game-changer for anyone who loves a salon-quality manicure but prefers the convenience of doing it themselves. The formula delivers a rich, gel-like finish without the hassle of UV lamps. Its unique blend promises up to 10 days of wear. Talk about impressive. It's also worth noting that this polish is 15-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, which is great if you're looking for cleaner, more ethical options. The standout feature here is the wide fan-shaped brush. The design ensures a smooth and even application, allowing you to cover your nails in 2 to 3 quick strokes. Gone are the days of struggling with thin brushes that leave streaks. This brush is a game changer for getting that salon-worthy finish at home, and I found it easy to maneuver around my cuticles for a clean, professional-looking paint job. Now, I'll tell you about my experience. Using the polish was a breeze. The consistency of the product is just right, not too thick, not too runny, and it glides on smoothly. I used 2 coats for full coverage, as recommended, and the finish was beautiful, plump, shiny, and very gel-like. I also followed up with the long-lasting top coat, which definitely gave it that extra glossy, glass-like shine. The dry time was relatively fast. Each coat dried in about 5 to 10 minutes, so I didn't have to worry about smudging in between layers. In terms of longevity, I was pleasantly surprised. I typically expect chipping after a few days, especially when I'm doing daily tasks like typing or washing dishes, but this held up really well. After 7 days, there were minimal chips and my nails still had that nice shine. By day 10, I did see a bit of wear, but overall, it lasted longer than most other polishes I've tried. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, this nail polish delivers exactly what it promises. A gel-like finish that's easy to apply, lasts for up to 10 days, and is made with clean ingredients. The brush is another major win. It makes application fast and flawless. However, the only downside I found was that the color, Strawberry Scone, may not be for everyone. It's a soft, muted pink, which some may find a bit too subtle if you prefer bold or vibrant shades. But that's really a matter of personal preference. When it comes to value for money, Olive & June's long-lasting nail polish seems to be in line with other high-end nail polishes in the market. But what sets it apart is the formula and the longevity. Given that it lasts to 10 days and gives you a professional finish, I do think it's a solid investment. If you're someone who loves clean beauty options and wants a reliable at-home mani, this is definitely worth trying. In terms of alternatives, there are a few budget-friendly options like Essie's Gel Couture line, which also promises long-lasting wear without a lamp. However, Olive & June's polish is unique in its 15-free formula and the wide fan brush, which gives it an edge over other similar products. As far as build quality goes, the packaging is sleek, and I really appreciate the inclusion of the poppy handle, which makes application easier and less messy. The formula itself is well made, and the brush design is a thoughtful addition that elevates the overall experience. Lastly, let's talk about customer support. While I didn't have to interact directly with their team, Olive & June is well known for its responsive customer service and commitment to clean beauty standards, which adds to the brand's reputation for quality. So what's the final verdict? If you're after a long-lasting, chip-resistant manicure that doesn't require a lamp and delivers a gel-like finish, Olive & June long-lasting nail polish in Strawberry Scone is definitely worth a try. It's ideal for those who want salon-quality results at home, with the added bonus of being vegan, cruelty-free, and 15-free. It's not perfect for everyone, especially if you're into bolder shades. But if you love a soft, clean look with lasting power, this could be your new go-to. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.